Procedure for Employer Registration. Karnataka Skill Development Corporation under the Department of Skill Development, Entrepreneurship and Livelihood, Government of Karnataka is organizing a state-level Mega Udyoga Mela. Employers and companies can register through the Skill Connect web portal to participate in this Mega Udyoga Mela. For this, you need to log in to the https://skillconnect.kaushalkark.com web portal. Click on Register and now select the Udyoga Mela registration option from the drop-down list. Now here, you need to click on Employer Registration, which appears to be on the top right side of the screen. Now, the page for the registration form will appear on the screen for companies to register. Here, you need to enter your company's email ID and mobile number. For verification of the same, you need to enter the OTP sent to your registered email and mobile number in the respective dedicated boxes. Once the OTP verification is done, click on Proceed and you will be redirected to a new page for further steps. Now, you are required to fill out the information one by one. Fields marked with asterisk are to be filled mandatorily. The email of the company or organization will be taken automatically, which you had mentioned during the first step of registration. Next, you are required to type the name of your company, website of the company or organization with the appropriate URL for the website of your company. You need to copy and paste your company's website link into this field. Make sure the link starts with HTTP or HTTPS. You need to copy the location link from Google Maps or the browser that shows your company's location and paste it into this field. Here, you need to type the address of your company, which includes details like building name, number, floor, cross, road, taluk or district, etc. Enter the PIN code of your location. Here, you are required to select the administrative division according to your location. Please go through the drop-down boxes and select administrative division according to your location. Select the district where your company's head office is located. If it is outside Karnataka, you can select the option Others. Then, you are required to type the district and state name where your company's head office is located. Under classification of company or organization, you are required to select your company type from the drop-down options according to the company size or capital, etc. If your company type is not listed in the drop-down options, you can select Others, and you are required to specify the classification of your company in the next field. You are required to select the hiring type in the field of company type among the three drop-down options. If you are a direct employer hiring for your company, you can select the option Direct Employer or Self, or else Payroll Company, Self, or HR Agencies or Consultancy, Others, as per your company's type. Enter the name of the HR of your company, enter the mobile number of the HR of your company, enter the email ID of the HR of your company. You are required to enter the number of representatives or SPOC, single point of contact, from your company attending the Udyoga Mela. For instance, if it is 2, then you need to enter the names, mobile numbers and email IDs of those 2 representatives or SPOCs in the respective fields below. If only 1 representative or SPOC 1 is attending from the company, you have to mention only 1 representative name, mobile number and email ID. At least 1 representative is mandatory. If you're hiring a person with disability, please mention yes. If you're not hiring a person with disability, mention no. Now, you have to fill in your employer demand form. Under the hiring sectors, you need to select the sector for which you are hiring. If the sector you are hiring is not listed in the drop-down options, you can select the nearest related sector listed here. If that too is not available, you can scroll down the drop-down options to the end, then select the option General Sector. Next, you are required to fill in the field for designation or hiring for. For instance, it can be for a test engineer, a supervisor, or an assistant manager. Fill this field as per your company's requirement. Next, you need to specify the educational qualification required for the designation or the job role by selecting among the drop-down options. You can add multiple options like 10, PUC, UG degree, diploma, etc. according to eligibility criteria. Then you need to specify the educational qualification with specialization, course or stream required for the designation from the drop-down options. Here, you can select any specified specialized diploma or ITI courses like diploma in mechanic, diploma in aeronautics, etc., as per the designation requirement. If the designation has no specific specialization, you can select the all specializations /course /stream option. Enter the job role or the designation name in the field under job description based on the designation or job role or job position. You can write a sentence of 2 to 3 lines as a short description describing the job role here. Drag the horizontal bar below and you will be able to see a few more fields to fill. Please copy and paste the URL link of the detailed job description for the job role or designation you are hiring for if posted on your portal or on other promotional platforms. Make sure the link starts with HTTPS and this is optional. Next, under the nature of employment, you need to select an option from the drop-downs. It could be regular employment, contractual employment, internship or apprenticeship. Select any as per your mode of hiring. Under candidate requirement in terms of experience, you can specify whether you need experienced candidates, freshers or both freshers and experienced candidates as per the company's requirements. Under the number of vacancies or positions for the job role or designation, you need to enter the number of vacant positions available in your company. Then, under the age group or preference or criteria, you need to select the applicable age criteria required for the job role or designation from the drop-down options. If it is not applicable, you can select no age criteria. Select gender preference as per the requirement of the company. It can be male, female, both males and females or others. Select accordingly. Next, under approximate gross salary per month, you need to select the range of salary offered from the drop-down options. Next, under vacancies at Karnataka district, you need to select the district or districts where there are job openings in your company. You can add multiple districts here. Then, you need to select taluk or taluks, which comes under the districts who have selected in the previous column vacancies at Karnataka taluks. You can add multiple taluks here. Under vacancies outside Karnataka, mention state name. You can select the state from the drop-down options. If there are any vacancies in your company outside the Karnataka state, you can add multiple states. Then, under vacancies outside Karnataka, mention district name that comes under the state you have selected in the previous column. You are required to enter district names manually where your company has vacancies. You can add multiple districts. Under the facilities for the employees, you are required to select the facilities that your company provides to the employees. Here, you can add multiple options too. If the facilities of the company are not mentioned in the drop-down list, select the option Other Facilities as per the company norms. If your company is hiring for multiple sectors, drag the horizontal bar to the left and you can click on the Add button at the bottom left corner of the box. Follow the same procedure as done for the first one. After this, you are required to upload your company logo in JPG or JPEG or PDF form only. This is required for promotional and branding purposes. This will be mandatory. Next, you need to select an option from the drop-down regarding how you got to know about the job fair. It may be through social media, newspapers, television, FM radio, SMS, etc. Select whichever seems to be appropriate. If your option isn't available in the list, please select the others. Please specify option and mention how you got to know about the Udyoga Mela. If you select social media, in the next box, you need to specify it by selecting social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. Select whichever is appropriate. In the next box, you can add any doubts, concerns, or queries you have regarding the program. If not, you can just add it as NA, which is non-applicable. If any queries, you can contact the details provided. Then, you need to agree to the employer consent form for collecting and disclosing personal data and enable the blue button on the bottom left side of the page. Click on the Submit button. You will be getting a confirmation message to your registered mobile number along with the ID and password for the portal login. Go to the login page and fill in the login credentials that you have received to your mobile number. Click on Login and you will land in the employer dashboard and you can edit the form in My Application. Thank you.